to another, I guess, episode of I Play While You Relax slash Sleep slash Hang Out with me. I actually just opened the game, so let's just collect everything here real quick. And we will head out to see a new quest. So I have kind of avoided the quest a little bit, so we had a little more to do here. We are officially on mission, I guess, 2. Visit the bird guide in the elevated clearing. Okay. Okay, alright. Oh. Oh, look. This is the place again. Are you gonna give me a quest if I talk to you now? Act 2. The land of memory. To heal this child's sorrow, you must find the blue burn. I know of a burn, blue like my mother's eyes, whose call echoes within our precious memories. Oh. Follow nostalgic sparkle parent to seek out the blue burn. I'm on it. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen? Oh, I know this area. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. Hello. Mwah. I'm flying straight ahead to it. I don't think there's anything else to see. Time to follow the burn, feathers. Boom. Oh, they're playing on a swing. Or like about to. Beloved grandchild, we made this swing for you on our favorite tree. On our favorite tree. What do I have to collect? Oh, I did a mission. Hold a friend's hand. Nice. Well. Ah, you want me to take him to you. Alright, another feather. Look how high you can go now. That is a little high, I guess. I want... okay, your hand. And then you go over here with me. I'm kidnapping you. So they are all like in a situation where they were helping out the girl and creating memories. I guess. Oh, wait, I lost the feather here. There we go. Oh, it's like different parts of life. No shoes, elderly. My child, it's wonderful to return here with you after all this time. Oh, is she the blue bird? Is that a representation of it? No, she gets older. She was little, grew, and that's her mom. Oh, that's her mom. I see. And now we are taking you to the grave. Oh. Took me a minute. She says goodbye to them all. Wait, is that the blue bird? It came in the most sad moment. Catch the blue bird to reveal its true nature. So like, every sad moment has something good about it. That is the blue bird? Oh, showing her that it's okay to be sad, I think. The blue is the bird, right? I think. Ah, that's us again. Hello. Well, how does that story end? Maybe that was the end. A bird was found and its feathers were blue. But the tighter we held, the faster it faded. Oh, and I got a little heart. I also got another emote. Cool. What about this quest? Act 3. Before the curtain. To heal this child's sorrow, you must find the blue bird. Oh, we have like a little... I know of a bird brew like indigo cloth. Cloth? Okay. Whose cold trills wherever a crowd flock in admiration. That is like a poet? Some sort? Theater? Costume confetti cousin to the Starlight Desert to seek the blue bird. Okay. I haven't been to the Starlight Desert in a long time actually. I definitely think it's one of the most prettier zones. It's from like combined with the season of the Little Prince, actually. Someone just walks into it on my cutscene. Let's go. Bam, bam, bam. Perhaps the bird would like to see you perform together. I'm doing a performance? What am I gonna perform? Oh, something with the mirrors. Oh. Okay, let's start with this on the side here. Oh, I have to figure out what to wear. I think from these two, I actually like this one a little better. Oh! Oh, we are changing their clothes. I guess you can wear the same thing as me. That's so cool. Oh, there's the hat. A chicken? Or a wolf. Let's go with a wolf. I don't think the hat matches right now, but we can take it off. Yeah. Oh, I think I like this hair more. There's more and more guests arriving. Oh. Alright, well, the last thing we need is, I guess their outfit? Maybe? Yeah, it is. Oh, I guess? I think it matches a little to the mask. How would it look with the dress? Oh well. I think I'm gonna leave it. Whoa! Is that all players? Am I missing any? I don't think so. Okay, I'm doing emotes now. Here, ballot. Ta-da! Look at me! Throwing things into the air. Oh, it missed the jump. No, I was looking. I did the jump now. Yay! I saved the day with my little jump. And my little spin, spinny. Oh, there's a bird. Gotta catch the bird. Gotta catch the birdie. I also need the cameras. There you go. Birdie, where are you? Birdie, 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 birdie. There you are. Whoa, you're far. Oh my gosh, this is a little hard to control when it flies so fast. Oh, got it. Yeah, let's go. Something is gonna happen now, I think. Oh, she lost her clothes and now she's running back. She does an explanation point. Shocked? What happened? Oh, you're sad now. Oh, anxiety is filling you up. Oh, every person that was here is gone now. Hey, don't worry. You did really good. You did really, really good. You were really talented at this. You got this again. Come here. Let's do it together again, okay? I wanna do it with you. We just had fun. We can have fun again. Right? What? Oh no, she's sad there as well. A bird was found and its feathers were blue. But it unwound from itself like loose thread. Does the bird give hope? Till now, I don't know. It didn't look like it helped her. Wow. The event has 47 days left, and the next mission opens in 12 days. So this one just opened, I think. I wonder what's up here. But this is hard. Okay, thank you for the little story. That was really cute. I enjoyed it. This is now a completely different day. But we have some quests we can do. Look. Let's go. Oh wait, I forgot. I have to actually click right there and teleport first. Let's see. Act 4. The forest. To heal this child's sorrow, you must find the blue bird. And now it's this guy. I know of a bird, blue like a pristine river, whose call reflects the peaceful harmony of the forest. Going to forest. Forest is cute. I like going to forest. I think the rain is like so satisfying to listen to. Like a little bit of ASMR. He's searching for something. Okay. I thought, well, wait, let me just grab the last. Hey. The feather. This peaceful forest is home to many colorful birds. I'm sure we can find the blue bird here. Where do I go now? Oh. I see the little star. I'm gonna follow it. I used to see the birds. Wow. Wee, so cute. Wow, we are collecting the birds. Oh, the candle. Oh, I also know there's one of the golden things here. Whee! We are missing 20 from 100. I am ready. Oh, okay. What are you searching for? The burn? The blue burn? Oh, it wants us to go to... I can stick. It wants us to go further. Yo! Let's go! It seems like I have to be a little quicker than before. Whee! Thank you, birds! Thanks to you, I can keep flying! Oh! Wait, I actually have to catch the burn. Wait. Oh! Wah! I got it. I was also about to hit a tree. A big bird? An axe? We cut down their trees. Oh no. Oh, and the guy we have, like we had with us. had an axe on him. Oh, I mean, there's eggs here. I don't know if that's the bird. I think he's all sad about it now. Hmm. A bird was found and its feathers were blue, but it scattered in the wind and left only silence. We were helping the bird, or the bird was helping us, but we were destroying its home. Act 5. The Kingdom of the Future. To heal this child's sorrow, you must find the blue bird. I know of a bird blue like the stars, whose call trumpets where great destinies are born. Wow. These children know their destinies and are off to be born. Others need help from the blue bird to speak their destiny out loud. Okay, you have to walk over to all the feathers. Oh, I like this part. I like this quest. Tell me your destiny, child. I'm going to be a gardener and make beautiful things grow. Oh, I'm taking them with me. Come, let's meet. Let's go. Wait, that's not just one? Am I not going to the others? Oh, wait. They're saying goodbye. This place is really beautiful though. I really like being here. I just want to take a moment to really look around here, you know? I really like how everything looks and it's so cute. There's a little thing flying over there. And we have all the stars. And the water. And the gate inviting us, you know? The little gate over there. I think it's so cute. Oh, someone called me. Oh, it's just cold out. Whee! Welcome back. No, I can't fly. Oh yeah, because I don't have my little cape on me. When I am born, I will invent machines that heal the sick. Do it. Do it. Let me help you. Let me get there with you. Let me tell you goodbye before you go. Whee. Oh, is that the last one? I think that's the last one. Well, someone else there is doing the same quest as me. And all those people are done. I'm going to sing songs that give hope to those who have none. Oh, I want to hear your melody. I want to hear your song. I want to hear their song. Oh. Go, friend. Goodbye. No, we gotta get the burn. Gotta get the burn. I don't know how to catch it. I can't fly. I can't fly. Hello? Come over here. Come over here. Whoa, 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 what's happening? I can barely fly, hello? What now? The bird... it gets reborn too? Does the bird get reborn? Is that the destiny? Oh, wait, no. No, not, wait. Why panic? Wait, I can't talk to them? Oh, I thought I could. Oh, okay, never mind. Hmm? Oh. Oh, let's see the ending for it. A bird was found and its feathers were blue. Letters were blue. But like a destiny, it was not meant to be merely held. Oh, we got a heart. That's actually really nice. And the next one is in 13 days, so that will be the finale. Oh, thank you. So let me show you. Wait, portal? Oh, wait. Let me bow real quick. Nice. Make a new acquaintance. I think they would like to kindle. Oh, I think they are busy. Maybe they'll light somebody so I can like grab the candle real quick. Come on, little friend. I have a candle. I have a little candle. Oh. Yay. Thank you. Thank you. I finished the quest. Thanks. I have to melt darkness too, but I want to show this to you. Look, there's this special event going on. There's like all the emotes and things you can get. I don't think I want the outfit. I don't know, it's all green and you can't change the color on it. The music, I don't really play music in this game. But the emotes are really cute, so I'm really thinking about getting them. But at the same time, I'm like, the thing that I want is this hair over here. And I'm missing 7 candles to get it. I think it's really cute. And I think it goes with a lot of things. I like it. So that's kind of what I'm saving for right now. I think all those cosmetics you can actually get right now. Let me see. This one. No, wait. No, this is the wrong side. This is where I got my own wings. Those are the ones I got. This allows you to come back to the concert area at any point, even when the event is gone. And it has not reappeared in a couple years now, you know, since last time, so I enjoy it a lot, and I think it's really relaxing to come here. I used to really like, I'm gonna show you in a moment, there's like this little secret area over there. You can also get this outfit with the cape. Oh! What's happening?
Oh, that was really bad.
I just joined a concert. Okay, I can show you a little bit of it, but I cannot show the whole thing because there's gonna be music. I can show you the beginning. This is a concert that is running right now for anyone to join. Yeah! And all of those are people like I'm here. What? I wasn't expecting it starting so soon.
Thank you all very much.
Let me also give a heart. Yay! Okay, I would say thank you for watching this little episode. I hope you've been really cozy and it has been relaxing to watch. Thank you so much for watching them. I really enjoyed making them too. Especially because whenever I play this game, it makes me feel so cozy and like warm and safe, you know? So I hope those videos make you feel the same way, or yeah, maybe you're just sleeping right now and you're not really listening to what I'm saying, and that's okay too.
Even if we lose hope, we can never let our light fade away.
That is true. Thank you so much, guys. Bye for now.